Welcome to the final series of the Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll be learning how to export your project files, which is converting it from a Premiere Pro project file into a viewable MP4 file. So first, we need to click on File, Export Media, and this will pop up. Usually, we just need to click on File, Export Media. Usually, if you accidentally click on the Projects panel, you can't click on the Export Media. You have to export the media in this sequence, which is sequence 1. So we click on the Sequence panel and File, Export Media. And this will pop up. So usually, if you don't know what format or preset to put, you can just click on Match Sequence Settings, and it will automatically match everything in the sequence for you. But usually it creates a large file size, so it's not really good. So usually we will edit ourselves. Just click on H.264, and over here for the it's not 1080p, so we have to change this baseline to either main or high. Usually we will pick high for high quality. The level is usually 4.0 and above, but we pick the highest quality, and usually aspect is in square pixels. The frame rate, we can set it to 60, and you can see that it automatically changes to 1080p. Here we can check this box to render at maximum depth, which increases the quality but increases the time of encoding. So for here, bitrate is usually VBR2 pass for the highest quality. Target bitrate, we can set it to around 15, which is good quality. And this doesn't matter. For the audio, it's usually AAC. Sample rate for the 8000 Hz and high quality. Bitrate, usually for most videos, the bitrate is around 200 something, around 256. So usually we'll just set it to the highest because it doesn't increase much file size. And the multiplexer, usually the video files are in MP4 files. FTP doesn't matter. And we always use maximum render quality. Check this box as well. And we can just click on export to export our file. But before that, we click here to find the place where we want to save our project file, which we'll be saving under exports. And you can name it as well. So if you have many other files to export, you can just click Q and it opens up Adobe Media Encoder. If you have just one file, you can just click on this export. So if we click Q, it appears here. And we just need to click the green play button to start the encoding. If you are not happy with the settings, you can always click on the H.264 and it will bring you back to the export settings and you can edit it. So for now, we're ready to export, and we can just click Start. And the exporting time usually varies due to certain factors such as the speed of your processor and the speed of your hard disk. Usually for the high-end processors, the encoding speed will be much faster, and usually if you use an SSD, it will be much faster as well. And that's all for the Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all will be good video editors. And if you find this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe.